What's good, guys? So by popular demand from subscribers in the comment section, let's quickly look at crypto.com's CRO token and my short-term price target for CRO. As usual, since the market is ruled by short-term emotions, let's quickly look at the fear and greed index for the general market sentiment. So the index is currently sitting at 43, showing there's still fear in the market. But from past history, we know that this is part of the regular market cycle, right? The market goes from fear to greed, fear to greed. We are currently fearful. So this is the time that I usually like to buy. This is not financial advice. Keep this in mind. If Bitcoin dumps, then expect CRO to dump as well. Now let's look at the CRO token in the lower time frame. I'll be using the 4-hour chart, and from the 4-hour chart we see that CRO is currently trading in this broadening ascending wedge pattern, right? And this pattern is usually a bearish indicator, right? And it normally predicts that price will reverse back down to the base of the pattern, right? And the base of the pattern at the moment is sitting at about 32 cents, right? So that would be the bearish price target for this pattern. But I am biased towards the bullish side, right? We're in a bull market, so I am biased towards the bullish side. And I would want CRO to keep trading in this pattern a little bit longer and go touch the 2.618 Fibonacci extension level, or at 65 cents. That's my short-term bullish price target for CRO. But as my mother always said while I was young, you don't always get what you want in life. So in case the market proves me wrong and we have the reversal, then I have 3 bearish price target for CRO. My first bearish price target for CRO is at the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, or at about 43 cents. That'll be my short-term bearish price target. And then if it breaks below 43 cents, then the next price target is sitting at the VPVR. The VPVR is showing that the price with the most traded volume is currently sitting at about 35 cents, right? So that'll be my next bearish price target if CRO breaks below 43 cents, right? And then lastly, the base of the pattern, which is sitting at 32 cents, right? So 3 bearish price target, 43 cents, 35 cents, and 32 cents, right? So those are my bearish price targets. Now let's look at the indicators, right? Let's look at the RSI. From the RSI, we see that CRO is currently losing strength, right? It is forming lower highs on the RSI, but there's also a bullish side to it. CRO has not yet broken this upward trend line, right? So although we have this downward trend bringing down the prices and bringing down the strength of CRO, I think that after we get a reversal back down to this upward trend line, CRO will bounce back because it is forming a symmetrical triangle pattern, right? And this is usually a continuation pattern. So that would be what I would expect for CRO. But we definitely see a reversal coming. From the MACD is also confirming the reversal at the moment, right? The MACD line, this blue line, is currently below the signal line, the orange line, right? So over here, the blue line over here is currently below the signal line, the orange line. So that is confirming the reversal for CRO, right? Let's look at the squeeze momentum. The squeeze momentum is also confirming the reversal. We are seeing darker green bars over here, right? So we are getting darker green bars. So that is confirming the reversal for CRO. So we should definitely expect a little bit of a reversal, lower prices for CRO in the shorter time frame. But let's compare that with the RSI on the daily time frame. So the RSI on the daily time frame is showing that CRO is currently at 78, right? And that is, even though that is very bullish, it is actually pretty bearish, right? This is showing that CRO is overbought, and I would expect a pullback, right? It is also confirming a possible pullback for CRO in the shorter time frame. If we do break below this trend line, this upward trend line on the RSI, then we should expect lower prices for CRO. All right. Now, if you'd like to know my medium-term price target and end of bull run price target for CRO, definitely let me know in the comment section, and make sure to help a brother out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. My name is Seth and I make crypto content. So if making more money with cryptos is something you are interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications as well. And let me know what other coin you would like for me to cover in the comment section.